Hello guys, welcome all of you to Knowledge Power Made Easy. And yesterday many of the students were asking what is the official letter format. Actually there is a confusion that the CBSE has changed the pattern or not, whether SSC will be following the previous pattern or not, or many of the students even don't know what is the correct pattern. Okay, so I am here to discuss one pattern that is going to be accepted 100%. Okay, so today I am going to discuss the format for official letter. I have framed that format myself. I mean, I have not framed it, but actually I have written it down from somewhere. Okay, since it has a copyright issue, I could not show that picture, but I did the same thing. I just wrote the exact format. Okay, so here is complete picture. I'll show you a complete picture what I have written. There are 2 pages of my diary, you can see, and this is the complete picture. First the writer's address, and then we leave a line, then the receiver's address, then leave a line again, then we write SUB or subject, any of the one, and then give a colon, then start the subject, and then leave a line again after the subject ends, respected sir, dear madam, etc., and then give a comma. Okay, and we'll discuss that what is the body, start of the body, and after the end of the body, thanking you. After the end of the body, leave a line, thanking you, comma, then leave a line again, yours truly, yours faithfully, etc., comma, then leave a line again, then your first name and your last name. Okay, so we are going to discuss what is the exact format in detail now. Okay, so let's study. See, in the writer's address, what are the properties of the writer's address? First of all, it should be imaginary. It should not reveal your identity. Name cannot be written in the address at all, and it should not reveal your identity. It should be imaginary. Also, it should be imaginary in such a sense that suppose you are ABC space XYZ, so you should not, I'm sorry, suppose you are Rakesh Kumar. Okay, so you should not write Rakesh Kumar or Aarti Devi. Both are real names. You cannot write that. You have to use imagination. Suppose you can write XYZ space ABC, right? That is a correct name, and the name actually cannot be written over here. So similar is the case with address. You cannot show that you live in a particular area, whether you are in Delhi or you are in Mumbai. You cannot write that. You should not write that because it reveals a partial identity, right? And if the examiner feels that you are trying to convey your address or anything in any manner, you should not do that. Okay, okay, so you can write XYZ apartment, ABC colony, etc., and it should be a complete address with the area code, etc. Okay, now no comma or full stop is used at the end of the addresses first line. You should not use a comma. If you use a comma, marks will be deducted because it is the part of the format. Okay, so writer's address is completely discussed, and then we leave a line. This is zigzag which I have drawn is actually a line left. And then if the receiver's address also, you have to follow the same format. You cannot reveal what exact area you live in, and no comma or full stop can be given, and it should be imaginary address. And then after the receiver's address is complete, we leave a line again, and then we write subject slash SUB. I mean, you should write one of them, subject or sub, whatever feels right for you. And then just a moment. Okay, Then give a colon. It is not a semicolon but a colon. A colon is two dots, as I have written. And the properties of the subject. Let's discuss what are the properties of the subject. I have seen many students writing different kinds of subjects, like I want to apply for leave, or I am complaining about the atrocities of the police in the area, etc., etc. So one thing is clear, make it clear in your mind: the subject should not be a complete sentence. Subject cannot be a complete sentence. The example can be applying for leave, application for leave of 2 days, okay, and it should be short. It is not 2 to 3 lines of essay kind of subject. You cannot do that. You should not do that. One moment. uh, no one should disturb while teaching, right? Okay. So we were talking about the subject. It should not be a complete sentence, but it should be short and detailed, like applying for leave for 2 days, and complaining about the atrocities of the police. That's it. That should be the subject. You can mention the area, etc., like complain about the atrocities of police in XYZ Nagar. Okay. Here also you should not reveal the area exactly. In any portion of the letter, do not reveal the area or your identity in any form. Whether you are a male or female, that should not be mentioned. It is a very good point in English. It is a funny but good fortune that writing I or you does not reveal the gender of the addressee or the addresser, right? I. If I say I, does it reveal whether I'm a male or a female? If I say you, does it reveal? He and she reveals, but it does not reveal, right? That's a beauty. You have to write special words for revealing the identity and all. Okay, moving on. After this subject is complete, okay, previously when we used to write in plain copies or in our examination copies, we used to underline the subject, but now you need not underline the subject. No need to underline the subject, because we are writing in box format, and underlining can look a bit hazy and dirty, right? It can be looking a bit cluttered, so no need to write it. Okay, after the subject is complete, leave a line. Again, the zigzag means leave a line, and then respected sir, madam, or dear sir, madam, anything you want as per the content of the letter, whether you are writing to a teacher, whether you are writing it to the editor, etc. See, if you are writing to a teacher, dear sir is fine, but you cannot write the same to a editor, right? He's not dear to you, he does not know you, or he or she does not know you. So avoid using dear in such cases of official letters. And after respected sirs, madam, give a comma. A comma is important, and it is the part of the format. If you do not put a comma on the format, you may lose marks. You will lose marks. You may is not a word. You will lose marks. Okay. After that, respected sir or madam, comma is over. After that, we start the body. And how do we start the body? We leave one space. We leave the space for one word and then start the body. Many of people believe that wherever the respected sir commas um, ends, wherever respected sir comma ends, you should start the body there. It is not like that. You should leave the space for one word and then start the body. Okay, and then in the body also, when you write a para change, when you are trying to do a para change, in the next line leave space for one word. Suppose I have written over here, look at this area, the para change is indicated, and then I leave the space for one word and then start the next para. And then after the end of the body, we leave a line again. See, here I have left a line, right? And then thanking you. You may write thanking you, and if you are writing it to editor for requesting him to do anything like printing a column in his daily, you can write thanking you in anticipation. Whether you are writing a application letter for leave, you may write thanking you in anticipation, and then comma. After that, leave a line like this after thanking you, and then write yours truly or yours faithfully or yours obediently as the letter demands. Okay. And in the word yours, why should be capital, why should be uppercase, and there should not be any apostrophe, no apostrophe in yours. Okay. And after yours truly, give a comma again, and then leave a line, then first name and last name. Remember, you should have first name and last name. It should not be like that Akshat. It should not be like that. It should not be like Ramya. It should be complete 2-word names. But you cannot write even that. You cannot reveal the identity. So you should write ABC space XYZ. Okay. So this is the complete format of the official letter for SSC Tier 3 examinations. So you should follow this format. Nobody is going to deduct marks for the format, at least. Okay. And in the next class, we are going to discuss how to write letters to editor, and how to write a complaint letter to the editor, and how to write a thanking letter to the editor, etc. And also we'll write application letters for leave, application letter for job applications, etc. We'll do that. Okay. And I'm also planning to discuss some important topics of essays. I have actually written those essays myself as well after collecting the data, so you may get benefited from that as well. So I'll discuss the important data, and then I'll give you a snapshot of the essay which I have written, so that we can have a complete picture of what's going on and how to write the essay, and where to change the mode from positive to negative, or whether it should go from positive to negative or not. Actually, I have the essays essays of some other people as well, but due to intellectual property issues, I'm not showing those essays, but these essays are mine, so I can definitely show them. Okay guys, take care. If you like this discussion, please hit a like. If you like the video, I'll be happy, and then share it with your friends so that the confusion is over. Okay, take care guys, have a good one. Bye bye.